So from the past 2 days of Amazon sale that's been going on, it turns out everyone's favorite is the 70mai A510, and quite rightfully so. This dash camera is the ultimate value for money king in the price bracket of about 11 to 13,000 rupees. For the fact that this camera actually trends at 13 to 14,000 in the normal general sales, but in the Amazon sale you're gonna get this with the manufacturer discount, with the SBI credit card discount coupled together, coming at a price of close to 11,900, or should I say 12,000 rupees for the dual channel variant. And for the single channel variant you'll probably get it at a price of less than 10,000 rupees. But even if you are planning on getting the front only variant, I wouldn't recommend it, but only for a few more $1,000 you can get an additional rear camera, and it's always better to have a dual channel setup than a front only one. That being said, the A510 has been selling like hotcakes, and this has been everybody's favorite in this Amazon sale. So I can pretty much call this camera the king of Amazon sales right now. So if you have been following my channel, you would already know that I've brought up very detailed videos on the A510. Of course, it's detailed review and along with that comparison videos with other dash cameras, specifically talking about the 70mai A810, which most people were confused about because they wanted to know the difference between the A810 and the A510. That video also has been watched a lot of times, and most of you have appreciated me for making that one. And just in case if you have missed that video and you haven't watched it yet, you'll find the link to that video in the description below. The video quality provided by the A510 Dashcam is simply good for the price. Slightly higher on the sharpness levels overall, but that's not a deal breaker. The video quality is still stunning, and for the fact that you buy a dash camera mainly for the purpose of having evidence. So in daytime most cameras work well, and you will be probably able to read number plates during daytime even at a range of 10 to 15 feet away. So if by chance some other car comes and bumps into you either from the rear or maybe from the front, hits your front bumper and moves away, most other cameras during daytime will be able to catch the number plates, and that number plate readability is going to help you later on. But what happens during night is, due to darkness, we rely solely on our car's headlights for the visibility on the road. But this creates a problem. The headlight glare kind of whitewashes the number plate read in most dash cameras, or should I say every dash camera which doesn't get a Starvis 2 sensor. I've shown this in plenty of videos, in plenty of dashcam review videos on my channel. All dash cameras without Starvis 2 will give you a whitewashed look on the number plate when they are under the direct glare of headlights. So if by chance some car bumps into yours during night, maybe from the rear, maybe from the front, your dash camera will possibly fail to catch the number plate of that car, and that's a very crucial piece of information, a crucial piece of evidence which might help you later on. That's where the Starvis 2 sensor comes in, and that's where the A510 comes in. The sole ability to read number plates during night time under the glare of headlights, because it's powered by Starvis 2, makes the A510 a very powerful contender, because there's no other camera, a dual channel setup Starvis 2 camera, providing you a near 4K resolution with HDR in the price range of 11 to 12,000. There are plenty of other 4K cameras even priced lesser than 10,000, but they don't get Starvis 2. That's the power of this camera. And as I said previously, the main reason we buy camera is for evidence. The main reason we buy cameras so that we have some sort of an accountability for the actions that happen on the road, which might help later on in the future. So that sole purpose, so that basic primary purpose is satisfied with these kinds of cameras. So it's very important that you install a dash camera that provides you that crucial evidence, that provides you that important information, that video evidence, which can help you keep your car, your family and yourself very, very safe. That being said, this camera, the Starvis 2 powered A510, coming at a price of about 12,000, the dual channel setup, is something which I strongly recommend to each and every one of you. And this recommendation is not because of the brand or the name of this camera. It's simply because of the technology this carries and how well that technology can help you in the future whenever the need arises. So the Amazon sale is currently on, and if you still haven't purchased a dashcam, I strongly recommend that you do, for your own safety and for your car's safety. No matter which brand you like, no matter what kind of budget you have, just get a dashcam to keep yourself safe. But if you are confused regarding which dashcam to buy and you're looking for recommendations, I would strongly recommend the A510. Under the price bracket of 12,000 rupees, there is no other better camera. And if you want to purchase it right away, the link to purchase this camera is given below in the description. Along with the camera, you can also purchase the additional accessories such as the memory card, the hardwire kit and the CPL filter. I'll give you the links to those additional accessories as well. But if you still want to check out some more info and you want to gain some more knowledge about this dashcam before you actually purchase it, you can watch all the detailed review videos and the comparison videos which I brought up on the A510. The links to those videos will also be provided in the description below. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, you can always write that down. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So this was my quick take on the recently going on Amazon sale and the hot selling 70mai A510 dashcam. If you haven't still got it, go ahead and grab it right now. So if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, and also don't forget to like this video as well. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page for some additional info and some behind the scenes look. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.